African lungfish, the fish that can live without water. What if I told you there's a fish that can breathe air, survive without water for months, and has existed since before the dinosaurs? Meet the incredible African lungfish, one of the most ancient and extraordinary freshwater fish on Earth. The African lungfish belongs to a group of prehistoric fish that have lived on our planet for more than 400 million years. Because it has changed very little over millions of years, scientists often call it a living fossil. Today, these amazing fish are found in rivers, lakes, floodplains, and swamps across many parts of Africa. One of the first things you'll notice is its unusual appearance. Instead of looking like a typical aquarium fish, the African lungfish has a long, eel-like body with tiny fins that it uses to crawl along the bottom. Depending on the species, they usually grow between 60 centimeters and 1 meter, but the largest species, the marbled lungfish, can grow over 2 meters long and weigh more than 15 kilograms. Their impressive size makes them one of the largest freshwater predators in Africa. The African lungfish has a simple but distinctive color that helps it blend into its natural habitat. Most species are dark brown, olive green, gray, or black, often with lighter spots or mottled patterns along the body. The marbled lungfish is especially beautiful, displaying an intricate marble-like pattern of dark and light markings that provides excellent camouflage among mud, rocks, and aquatic plants. Young lungfish are usually lighter in color, while adults become darker as they mature. Their skin is smooth, covered with a layer of mucus that helps protect them from infections and prevents them from drying out during periods of estivation. Although they are not as brightly colored as arowanas or cichlids, their prehistoric appearance and unique patterns make them one of the most fascinating freshwater fish in the world. African lungfish are powerful carnivores with a huge appetite. In the wild, they hunt fish, frogs, crabs, shrimp, snails, insects, worms, and other aquatic animals. They are patient hunters, often waiting quietly before striking their prey with surprising speed. In aquariums, they enjoy earthworms, prawns, shrimp, mussels, fish fillets, and high-quality carnivorous fish pellets. They usually become most active during the evening and at night. Now comes the most incredible part. Unlike most fish, the African lungfish has true lungs. Yes, real lungs. It regularly swims to the surface to breathe atmospheric air. This allows it to survive in water that contains very little oxygen, conditions that would be deadly for many other fish. But that's not all. During long dry seasons, when rivers and swamps disappear, the African lungfish performs one of nature's most amazing survival tricks. It buries itself deep in the mud and secretes a protective mucus that hardens into a cocoon. Inside this cocoon, the fish enters a sleeping state called aestivation. Its heartbeat and metabolism slow dramatically, allowing it to survive for months, and in some cases even years, without food or water. When the rains finally return, it breaks out of the cocoon and continues living as if nothing happened. Very few animals on Earth have such an extraordinary survival ability. African lungfish are also famous for their intelligence. Many aquarium keepers report that their lungfish recognize the person who feeds them and quickly swim to the front of the tank at feeding time. They can become bold, curious, and surprisingly interactive, making them fascinating pets for experienced fish keepers. With proper care, an African lungfish can live 20 to 30 years, and some have lived for more than 50 years. Because they grow so large and produce a lot of waste, they need a very spacious aquarium, powerful filtration, and a tightly fitting lid because they are strong and capable of escaping. The African lungfish is much more than just another fish. It is a living piece of Earth's history, an expert survivor, and one of the most remarkable freshwater animals ever discovered. From breathing air to surviving droughts and living for decades, this incredible species continues to amaze scientists and aquarium enthusiasts around the world. Another fascinating feature of the African lungfish is its incredible ability to regenerate damaged tissues. If its fins or skin are injured, it can repair them much more effectively than most fish. Scientists are studying this remarkable healing ability because it may help us better understand how tissues and organs regenerate in other animals, including humans. The African lungfish also plays an important role in nature by helping maintain the balance of freshwater ecosystems. As both a predator and prey, it is an essential part of the food chain in African rivers and wetlands. Its unique biology, ancient history, and extraordinary survival skills continue to make it one of the most interesting freshwater fish in the world.